LG PK3. All right. Available at Walmart now for $58. Okay, let's have a quick unboxing here. Meridian technology. Alright, what do we got here? Dynamic sound, 12-hour battery life, dual passive radiators, water resistant, IPX7 rated. Cool. User manual. That's good. Styrofoam. Oh yes. Here we have the speaker. And at the bottom. And that's it. Okay, what are we getting here? No adapter, but you do get the charging cable. And it's USB-C. That's cool. That is nice. Okay. Oh, okay, here we go. Battery light, power, Bluetooth, volume down, up, play, pause, microphone, and the hand space button. Okay, so there's your USB charging port, your auxiliary in, reset button. So it's very tight, it's waterproof. Yeah, that's very snug. Place for a wrist strap or lanyard. The base has very nice grippy feet. Yeah, there's my serial number. June 2018. Okay. Here's the front with the two speakers. Let's catch the light in there. Two speakers. Base radiator. Okay. We're going to compare the LG PK3 with Meridian technology versus the DOS Traveler. Now the LG has a total output power of 16 watts of power, and the DOS Traveler has a total output power of 20 watts of power. So you're going to hear a difference in treble and bass depending how each one's tuned. So we're going to use aux cable and switch between the two. We're going to run at about 60% volume first, about 2 feet away, and then we're going to run 100% volume. Okay, so let's power on these speakers. Okay, we'll start off with the LG first. Okay, so there's my little short sound sample. The LG PK3 sounds pretty good, like the DOS Traveler at max volume with heavy bass music. There's no distortion. There's a nice mix of lows, mids, and highs. Although I don't think the bass is very deep or heavy, but I'd say there's a little bit more bass and loudness coming from the DOS Traveler. I kind of like the LG because of the clarity, the balanced sound, and the quality of the sound. Sound quality is really good on that. So I'll leave links in the description. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this helped you decide if you want these speakers. Have a great day.